What's up guys, Joel here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Boat Bassheads 103 wired earphones. Boat, as we know, is currently in its prime in the Indian market with a wide range of earphones, headphones, speakers, etc. So are the Bassheads 103 any good for what it offers for the price? Let's find out. The Boat Bassheads 103 comes in a black colored box. On the front of the box, we can see the Boat branding and the name of the earphones, while on the back we can see the model number, the pricing and the company information. The pricing on the box is mentioned as Rs 1290, but they are available for Rs 400 on Flipkart India. Opening up the box, we get the earphones which are decently packed. I got them in black color, but they are also available in red color. Besides this, we also get a warranty card, a catalog which shows different Boat products and some extra ear tips. Now to give you a physical overview, as they are wired earphones, it has got a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is gold plated and it's angled. The wire looks to be of an average quality and not braided, but feels like a tangle-free cable. Further down the wire, we have the inline remote, which is one multifunctional button and a microphone on it. Sadly, there is no controls for the volume on the remote. Then we have the earbuds, which itself they are attached to a much thinner wire which looks flimsy. The silicone ear tips look of very average quality, and the entire earbud is made out of plastic with the average build quality. The remote, on the other hand, is made out of plastic, and the only multifunctional button is used for various functions. Single click to play or pause the music and answer incoming calls. Double click to skip to the next track. Triple click to go to the previous track, which unfortunately didn't work for me. And long pressing will activate the Google Assistant. Let's talk about the sound quality now. Well, to be honest, I feel sound was good, especially considering the price of the earphones. If you're a bass head, then this won't get you disappointed. The bass is kinda boosted on these, and the drivers pump a good amount of bass with some amount of thump to it. The sound gets loud enough, but at about 80% volume, I felt it got a bit distorted and the vocals also got kinda lost. A sound leak is evident in the budget-priced earphones, and this one is no exception. The mids and highs were good, with vocals sounded fine and clear, and the instrument separation was good enough. The call quality was very crisp and clear, and I didn't face any interference while on the call, nor the opposite person complained. These fitted very well in my ears and are quite lightweight, and I didn't face any discomfort even after using them for long hours. It's also worth noting that these are not sweat or water resistant. I would rate it 6 out of 10 for the build quality and then 8 out of 10 for the sound quality. Finally, as for my verdict, the Bose Basshead 103 wired earphones sound overall good in my opinion, especially considering the price. The sound signature is fine and nothing extraordinary. If you're a person who likes to hear music with enhanced bass and overall good sound, then you can consider this. But if you're someone who prefers good build quality and balanced sound signature, then you will have to consider something else. So anyways, I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. So that's it for the video guys, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button, and if you all didn't, you all can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.